timing, guys.
Time to play bingo.
Yeah, but I want to.
Who's gonna win?
Giving you two electronic assets. Each asset holds 20. B10. Yes. Who's got that one?
Hey you guys, so we just finished the dance party with the characters and now we are about to have lunch at the Royal Court. Right, baby?
Yes, we are.
So here is our menu. You have to get extra cherries for your Shirly Temple.
Salmon shake, the salmon salad.
Salmon salad, bruschetta, and pie rice.
Chicken, roasted chicken. And this is the brioche burger.
I don't know how to pronounce this supposed to.
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread, you guys see that? It's the gingerbread house. For next week, because you guys are going to have Christmas and we missed that window.
We sure did.
They've been working on it all week. It smells amazing. Ooh, look. Alright, we got something fun. It looks like we have a personal note in there.
Okay.
I'll have to check that out when we get inside. So let's go inside. There you go. That's cute. That's so sweet. Guess who we're about to meet? This is so exciting. Let me put this over here.
This guy has
What are you
been
doing?
sleeping the whole time.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
Wakey, wakey.
Hi.
Look at him looking all curvy in the bed. Why you look all curvy, babe? You look like you got booty. We are headed to Animators Palate. And tonight is day 5. On our way. Alright, we are at Animators Palate. And I'm trying not to be embarrassed because we got that set up right there. Ready for the show for you guys, but oh well.
Just for you.
We just stick out like a sore thumb, that's all.
We sure do.
And it looks like we're the only ones that are matching outfits, other
And
than
we're
children.
running red. And we're running red, so.
But we match the chairs. The chairs are so cute.
They are.
Look at the chairs. That's adorable. So, anyway, we are number 52, and we are about to draw our animations, and we're going to show you how that works right now. All within the white. You're not allowed to touch the blue lines, and you write your name down, and then eventually they're going to project our animations on the screen. So we're going to go ahead and create our animations right now.
I love it. It's awesome.
I mean, we kind of started the show by popping out first. Our cartoons popped out, first me, then his, and I just have to say that the #1 animator on the show is Mr. Quinto, because I didn't draw any of that.
What do you
Good
guys
job,
think?
babe.
What do you guys think?
Do you think we have the best animated characters on there? If you do, give us a thumbs up. Good job, baby. I give you a thumbs up. Come on. It's 11 o'clock at night, day 6, and we got one of our fish extenders. I think they thought my name was Alice. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness, how cute.
Adventures out there, sweet.
Super cute. If you guys don't know, you need to put your key to the world card in the door or else you can't turn on the lights. Oh my gosh.
Wow. We gave them magnets too for their doors.
Yeah, but this is really cool.
Yeah, that one's really cool.
Dude,
Wow.
this is so nice.
That is so nice.
We love them.
It's awesome.
I love that it says where we've been.
Nice. And the dates too, that's awesome.
That's beautiful. And then, I don't know if I showed you guys this, but we got the Cruise Hair Don't Care scrunchies.
So I can use it on my hair.
That's right. I love them. Can't wait to put these on our door.
Yay.